Hi friends, I am Ankit and today we will talk on how to edit poll in WhatsApp. Friends, first we make a poll and then we will try to edit it. So to make a poll, press on this attachment button and here press on poll. Now I will make a simple poll. Now I will press the send button to send this poll in the group. Now we have created a new poll. Now later if we want to edit this poll, then we will first try by selecting this poll and search for the options on the top menu bar. But here as you can see there is no option available. So in WhatsApp currently there is no option to edit a poll after sending it. So if there is a very important thing you want to add in a poll after sending, then there is only a option available by deleting this poll and send it again. So to delete a poll after sending, you simply need to select the poll and press on this delete button. And here you need to select delete for everyone. Now this poll is deleted and you can recreate the poll with the changes. So friends, this is the only option available at present to do the changes in a poll after sending in WhatsApp. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.